Welcome English classes. An elementary school classroom in a slum. Class 12 student. See the next stanza today. Second stanza, in which the poet has said about the condition of the classroom where the slum children used to sit and study. Come to the lines of the second stanza. On sour cream walls, donation Shakespeare's head, cloudless at dawn, civilized dome riding all cities. The poet said in this line that the condition of the class which has been given to them as a gift, there the picture, the skull of the Shakespeare's is no meaning for them. Class condition is very unhygienic. Sour cream, just like butter ghee we make and we get a bad smell from that also before having a butter or ghee. In same condition, the wall was so dirty, smelling bad around in the classroom. Surroundings were so poor. At early in the morning time, when it is a when sky remains free of clouds, only we see the big buildings of the night peoples of the society, where beautiful fragment of flowers Tulsi Valley were just coming around in the surroundings, and there was just complete word was opened and gifted to the children, but it is not any meaning. Avoiding the word its word, and yet for these children, these windows, not this map, this word. Poet say within this line, yet that children is no meaning for the inside what the matter is there, no meaning. They are distracted already in learning in the classroom. There this window, this not this windows means outward is only meaning for them, not a inside of this classroom where all their futures painted with fog. Inside the class they are simply sitting and they are just have no goal of their life, they have no dream of their life. Now come to the next page, sealed with a leaky sky far, far from rivers, caps and stars of words. In this line, it is said the where they are living, the space is very narrow, no space. Even they can't see the outward, the beautiful beauty of the nature that cannot be observed through their eyes. Now come to the third stanza of this poetry. Surely Shakespeare's wit, yet the mat is bagged, and filled with ships and suns, and love tempting them to steal. Poet says in this stanza about that there is no meaning of this eminent personality, laureate of language is no meaning for them, and ships building is nothing for them, and their condition remains very unclean, undeveloped, they as they are living in the dump areas, no meaning. According to lines, see the explanation. Surely Shakespeare's wicked, the mad a bad example. Surely the meaning of Shakespeare is no good for them. It is just useless, hopeless. Maps are also meaningless, with ships and suns and love tempting them to steal. And the nature is there to entice, is for their to they try, they are so attracted there, that is only a thing for them to steal. For lives that slay turn in their cramped holes, although they are living in a very sluggy, in a very clever, they are very tricky, they are living, they are very sincere, they have their knowledge, although they are living in a holes, small spaces, from fogs to endless night, and there is only darkness where they have only got darkness through these pictures and models. On their slug heaps these children wear skins, and the condition is so poor of these collected on the collected heap of garbage. These children have skin weak, and they are wearing glasses which spectacles which are broken it is just like thrown on the stones, and pieces of glasses they are having over their body, eyes, all of their aim, all of their time and space are foggy slum, so block their maps with slums as big as dome. So it is need, there is no meaning, just keep away all these models and maps, word beauty with these slums children, because it is just a hell for them, no meaning in their life. Now, last stanza. In the last stanza, it is said that poet has said, unless and until the rich, the good people of society, administrators are not coming forward to make their life proper, they have to contribute, create a bridge between them, then only life is possible better for them. Unless governor, inspector, visitor, this map becomes their window, and these windows that shut upon their lives like cotton. Unless and these people, good people, are not coming forward, there is no meaning of these English models, map, word, beauty of the word. It is just like a catabomb. Everything it is just meaningless, just like grave underground. Break open till they break the town and show the children to green fields, unless and until it is not this gulf between the poor and rich children is not going to be removed, then there is no meaning of any goodness, green fields, goodness, progress of this word make any sense of these children. Run azure on gold sands and let their tongues run naked into white boxes and green lids open. History there whose language is the sun. Unless until the clear the clear sky gold, it is just a it is not any going to be a meaning, it is just these natural where they are living, just a thing for them, no meaning, other things, books and copies, no meaning. And if once a bridge created between them, then they can openly learn from this word, and they will have their languages, is the languages, they will have such powers like the sun power is given in the word. That's all explanation. Now come to the poetic devices used in this poetry. Like come on the second stanza and see the imaginaries are used here, like Shakespeare's had open-handed map, it is a imaginary used here. Award, now meaning, explain the meaning, explain awarding the word its word. What do you understand this line? Awarding the word its words. If we are giving something to this slum children education through in this form, it is not any award for them, their only life, their only what they have, that is only a thing, award, goodness for them. With a fog, it is a phrase. With a fog, it is a phrase. Leaky, a leaky sky, it is a phrase. Far from, alliteration, poetic device. In third stanza, it wicked the map, bad example. From life's dash draw, from fox to Owen, these are from fog, alliteration is here, and it is a phrase. From fog to endless night, it is a phrase. Slug, heap, sluggy turn, it is a imaginary used here, as big as Tom, simile is here, simile is used here. Next, last stanza, like catabomb, it is simile. Lives like catabomb. Simile lies here. Break ko break. Repetition. Repetition. History there whose language is the sun. Metaphor lie here. Metaphor poetic device used here. The white and green leaves. Phrase. With this, today your poetry is over. Thank you.